Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch from the normal world to the Whalefall Canyon World in Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. There is a new map in this latest update. The new map or the new location is called Whalefall Canyon, and you can switch from the Whale Island, which is the normal world, to the Whalefall Canyon. Okay, it's in the deep sea, and if you want to go to the Whalefall Canyon, you can go to this teleport door or this portal. It's right here at the Whale Beach. Okay, and then you're going to go to this portal, and it will automatically bring you to the Whalefall Canyon World. Wait. All right, this is the Whalefall Canyon World. It's underwater area, and if you want to go back to the normal world, just go back to this portal, and it will automatically bring you to the normal world or to the town. Okay, guys, and that's how we can switch our world from the normal world to the Whalefall Canyon World in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.